In almost every tutorial video, I get asked the same question. Are you using Alight Motion on a PC? And the reason is this mouse cursor that you can see on my screen. But the truth is, I use Alight Motion only on my phone. So today, I'll show you exactly how I get this mouse cursor on Android. And the best part? The app is available directly on the Play Store. Let me show you how to set it up. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, simply allow the required accessibility permissions. After that, enable the touchpad option. As soon as you do that, a touchpad and a mouse cursor will appear on your screen. You can move the touchpad anywhere you want, and whenever you tap on something, your viewers can clearly see exactly what you're doing. This makes tutorials much easier to follow. You can also change the color of the action button, and if you want even more control, you can assign custom actions to the buttons around the touchpad. For example, you can adjust the volume or open the notification panel with a single tap. If you open the settings, you'll find plenty of customization options. You can change the size of the touchpad, and if the touchpad is covering part of your screen, simply reduce its transparency and make it almost invisible. This is the exact setup I personally use while recording my Alight Motion tutorials. It makes the tutorials look more professional, and most importantly, it helps viewers follow every step more easily. So that's how I use a mouse cursor on my phone. For more Alight Motion templates, click the video on the left. And for complete Alight Motion tutorials, click the video on the right.